The year 2025 began with a string of aviation incidents that captured global headlines. From emergency landings to mid-air collisions, these events have raised concerns about air travel safety. While any aviation accident is one too many, air travel remains statistically the safest mode of transportation. Each event is unique, requiring thorough investigation. This essay delves into notable incidents of 2025, examining the available information. Our aim is to provide a balanced perspective, emphasizing the industry's commitment to learning from these tragedies. On December 25, 2024, Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243 crashed while attempting an emergency landing. The Airbus A320, carrying 67 passengers and crew, experienced a catastrophic event during its final approach, resulting in 38 fatalities. Initial reports pointed to a complex interplay of factors, including potential GPS interference. Reports of GPS jamming or spoofing in the region added complexity to the investigation. Malfunctioning navigation aids on board the aircraft further compounded the challenges. The presence of Russian military activity in the vicinity raised questions, though no direct link has been established. The investigation is ongoing, with authorities piecing together evidence from the wreckage and flight data recorders. Determining the precise sequence of events will be crucial in preventing similar tragedies. The aviation world watches closely as investigators work to uncover the truth. Beyond the Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243 tragedy, several other aviation incidents in late 2024 and early 2025 have fueled public concern. On December 28, 2024, PSA Airlines Flight 2259 suffered a landing gear collapse upon touchdown at Halifax Stanfield International Airport. Fortunately, there were no injuries among the passengers and crew. Just a day later, Jeju Air Flight 2216 experienced a gear-up landing and subsequent crash at Muon Airport in South Korea. Remarkably, 2 crew members survived the impact. On January 28, 2025, a fire erupted on Air Busan Flight 391 during pushback at Busan Airport in South Korea. Preliminary investigations pointed to lithium batteries as a possible source of the fire. In a chilling reminder of the potential for catastrophic mid-air collisions, PSA Airlines Flight 5342 collided with a U.S. Army helicopter near Washington National Airport on January 20, 2025. The tragic accident claimed the lives of all on board both aircraft. These incidents underscore the interconnectedness of the aviation industry and the importance of global cooperation in enhancing safety standards. Comparing the number of aviation incidents and fatalities in 2024 and 2025 provides valuable context for understanding recent trends. Preliminary data indicates that the number of aviation accidents in the United States increased in 2025 compared to the previous year. As of February 25, 2025, there have been 87 reported aviation accidents in the U.S., with 62 occurring in January alone. This represents a concerning spike compared to the overall figures for 2024. Furthermore, the number of fatalities associated with these accidents has also risen. As of February 25, 2025, there have been 13 to 14 fatal aviation accidents in the U.S., resulting in approximately 85 to 89 fatalities. These statistics are preliminary and subject to change as investigations are concluded. The majority of the 2025 accidents involved general aviation aircraft, such as private planes and small aircraft. The upward trend in both accidents and fatalities warrants attention and underscores the need for continued vigilance in all sectors of aviation. The recent spate of aviation incidents has understandably shaken public confidence in air travel. The 24/7 news cycle, often dominated by dramatic headlines, can amplify fears and create a distorted perception of risk. Social media can also contribute to the spread of misinformation and heighten anxiety. It's crucial to remember that aviation safety is built on rigorous regulations and continuous improvement. While the recent incidents are concerning, air travel remains the safest mode of transportation. The odds of being involved in a fatal aviation accident are extremely low, far lower than the risks associated with other forms of travel. The aviation industry has a long history of learning from past accidents to improve safety. Each incident provides valuable data that can be analyzed to identify systemic weaknesses and implement corrective actions. The investigations into the recent incidents are ongoing, and it's premature to draw definitive conclusions. GPS interference is being investigated as a possible contributing factor in the Azerbaijan Airlines Flight 8243 crash. The role of lithium batteries in the Air Busan Flight 391 fire highlights the challenges of transporting these materials safely. The mid-air collision between PSA Airlines Flight 5342 and a U.S. Army helicopter underscores the importance of robust air traffic control procedures. The investigation will focus on factors such as airspace management and controller workload. The recent series of aviation incidents, while concerning, should not erode our confidence in the overall safety of air travel. The aviation industry remains committed to upholding the highest standards of safety and continuously striving for improvement. Each incident is unique, requiring thorough investigation. While the media may focus on the drama of these events, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective grounded in facts. The investigations will lead to valuable lessons and potential improvements in aviation safety. By working together, we can ensure that air travel remains the safest and most efficient way to connect our world.